In this video, I will show you how to transform your cluttered Gmail inbox into a streamlined workflow using Claude. If you are overwhelmed by hundreds of unread messages, this method will save you hours of manual sorting. Before we start, it is important to understand that when you link Gmail to Claude, the AI does not read your data in the background or monitor you. It only accesses your messages when you explicitly give it a prompt to do so. To begin, open a new chat in Claude and use this specific blueprint prompt to get the best results. Ask Claude to check your unread emails from the last 24 hours and organize them into a clear table. You should request columns for the sender, the subject line, a priority level, and a concise one-sentence summary. Tell Claude to label the priority as either urgent, needs response, for your information, or noise. Make sure to instruct the AI to completely ignore newsletters and marketing promotions so you only see what truly matters. The real magic happens when you ask Claude to handle the follow-up work as well. Instruct the AI to look at anything marked as needs response and generate a draft reply that matches your usual professional tone. Crucially, remind Claude to save these as drafts and not to actually send them, giving you final control. This system allows you to scan your entire day of communication in seconds and have your replies ready to go before you even open your inbox. Thank you for watching, and I hope this helps you reclaim your time and achieve inbox zero faster than ever.